Hey guys, welcome back. And today in this video, we are going to look at a new AI image generation model that is pretty comparable to the paid models that is available in the market right now. That is Midjourney and the Midjourney one. And let's see. So I have already given a previous video about like a free AI image generation tool, but this one is like better because it will give you like some kind of like the consistency in like between character, like two image that that you will generate one after one. So let's try this one. So this is a website, and you will get this link in the description as well. So you can go to this URL from there. And now we have to create an account and accept the cookies. So we are going to use temp mail in order to log in this because they use some kind of like token system, and it will limit you to generate only about like 25 images per day. And so when you use like temp mail, so you will be able to use it like about like unlimited times. So let's enter the mail here, and now generator, and let's see. And yes, if you are like seeing the password, you can use it, like use this one password there, use this account as well, like if you want, if you really need, you can. Let's copy this and paste it as a username, and now sign it up. And after clicking on the sign up, it will send an confirmation mail at our Gmail. So let's check out this mail. So when the credit is it's over, so you can create a new account to use it for free. And now click on this activate my account. Now the email has been verified, so click on this let's go button. Okay, let's now refresh it. Now here we have the pop-up ready to start. Here we have like 500 credits, but it will give us like 500 more credits. I'm going to show you how. So click on I am ready, and the one image like cost you about like 5 to 30 credits. So you will be able to generate like about on an average it will like took about like 20 credits. So this is the definition, like it will took about like 20 credits. So it will let you around generate about like 50 images. So that's it. So 50 like 25 or like 25 images, yes. So click on this I am ready, and now clicks on like continue. And now we are going to use this model. It will took about like 30 credits. Is a default model. It's like slower but high quality. And this is a Sigma model, well balanced. And this is like turbo. It will took about like 10 credits, but it was like faster but like low quality. So we are going to use like a high quality model. So we will choose the default one. And now I will tell you like my reason why I personally choose this model over the seed dreams. So seed dream is basically like limited to some kind of context prompt context window. Like it have limited about like 800 characters, but here we can input the prompt like a longer prompt. So we can like add a detailed prompt here and ask it to generate like images in more details. So now we are trying to generate an image. So we have this image from the ideogram, and we have this prompt here to regenerate the same image here. So we have some kind of this image, and we can expect to generate the image some kind of this, any type of this. And we are going to copy this one. And as you can see, the prompt is already like, it is more than the like 800 characters, which is like not supported in the like C dreams. And that's why I personally use this one. Now click on this generate one, and now you will see and pop up like plus 60 credits and well done. So click on this continue option, and when you click on here you will see like you have like about like 1000 credits, what I was like saying you back then. And when you scroll down a little, and here's the image generation start. So this is the image that is generating, and you can see a progress bar here. Okay, so let me walk through like some settings. So here are the settings, and when you go to the settings, so you can change the dimensions here, and this is aesthetic, and we have like seed options. So seed is like a main function that we are going to focus, because it will let you generate like the consistent images. So what is seeds? Basically it will give you an ID to your character face or like pose. So you have to like click on this dice button, and when you click on this dice button, and when you after clicking on this dice button, when you generate the image, so after you will change the prompt, so it will automatically like generate the same image. But for now we haven't used the like seeds for this one, so we are going to use again the seeds for like the another one. So we are going to use seeds, the consistency feature for this for this image. So I'm going to copy this prompt, and we can expect like image something like this. And here we are going to select all and copy paste, and now we have the seeds, we have created the seeds. And I'm going to like paste it some here, so we can remember what seed is. So what whatever the face it will generate, so if you want to like regenerate the say some kind of like other pose with the like same face, so you can use the seeds like after removing here, you can just use the seed ID and paste it here, and it will generate the same face again. So this is the main focus like of consistency. And when I click on this generate one image, and let it generate, so now we have to wait. So currently we are using the higher model here. As you can see, this is a version V1 and mode is default. Default is basically their higher version, which took about like 30 credits per the image generation. And if we scroll down, so here's the image. It still processing. Mhm. You can also upscale this image like if you have find this image, and you can upscale this image like you want more details in this image. I will also show you like how you can do that. And now the image is almost ready, and here we have the image. Okay, and now we have the image. So this is the image that we just generated, and like it is like pretty comparable to this one. You can say this one along with the side is just changed, the face is on the left side. Okay, so if we click on this upscale, it will took like about 20 credits, and here you can see like it will took about like 20 credits. And if you click on this like upscale image, it will add like more details here, and you will see like it will ask you like you will see a pop-up here when it will done with the like. Now let's try to like regenerate the image, and if we click on this like let me change the font a little bit, or like let's change this one. Go here like change, we are going to add this prompt here. Asian would like here, she's wearing a white sweaters. Let's make change her here like would say like the belonging long here. And let's change something more. Bak en tussen is tandems. And now we have click on this generate image, and let's see what it will generate. Now I just ask you to this is a like same kind of image, and you can see let it generate like complete. In this image, we can't really compare the. It is actually in the processing, so we can't. For now, we can't like compare, and in fact, we should try a portrait one. First, let it generate. But I can see this is the same image she had a dimple on her face and the red cheeks. Let's see the hairstyle, and she has a more hair, but she has a little more calm face. She's a different, but it will be you can try it out if it's work or not. So the link is already provided in the description, so you can try it out. And as you can see, the credits is all up here, and you can generate about 50 images easily. And here we have the image that I asked it to enhance, and here's the image that it has enhanced the image, and now it is in a better quality. If we open it here, and we can see, and as you can see the details, it have the more clear details here with the yellow teeth, and it's okay. So you will find this link in the description. You can go and check it out from there. And that's all for this video. And I hope you like this video. And if you don't please consider to like this video and subscribe this channel as well. And I will see you in the next one with a new tool, with a AI image generation tool that will make your AI creative more better and help you create more AI image generations or AI creations more better for free basically. Because in this channel we will post more often about free websites, free AI tools, not about paids, because paid is already there. If you can try out paids while you are watching this video site. That's why if we try to put on here about free websites that you can use. So this is a new one that you can try it out, and you will get the link in the descriptions, so you can try it out from there. And why you should the use the link in the description. So when you use the given link in the description, so you will get about 25 250 more credits. So you will get about 1250 credits if you use the given link in the descriptions. This is not a sponsored video, this is just a referral in case you will get some more credits. Here you can see you will get about 240 more credits, and that's it. Don't use this link, I have another account. So that's all for this video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider to like this video, subscribe to our channel as well, and I will see you in the next one.